Hey guys, Noah here. I'm in my buddy's old garage, or a different buddy's garage here. We call it the shop, but the main shop is over there, and there's no ceiling fans. But this is a pretty big, older shop, not in the best shape. And they had this 42-inch CEI hugger. You kind of tell it's CEI by those the vent hole there. And I always thought it didn't work. But the other day I was looking around and I found a switch back here. It's just a single pole switch. Flip it once, it's up high. I want to take this thing down and restore it. It's probably not going to go back up here, but I'm up on my buddy's truck here. So there's high speed. There's medium. Low. And off. It's kind of loud, but that's not shocking. Yeah, you can kind of tell it's CEI by see those vent holes and how they're around there. CEI thing. They also had the vent holes on the outside there that's round. You can, well, maybe it's not CEI. They usually have vent holes on the outside there. I don't know. But it's interesting. Has a giant switch housing, so anyway, thanks for watching.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Jamaica, off the Florida Keys. There's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo. Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go to Kokomo? You can play it fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. We gotta go. Martinique, that Montserrat mystique. We'll put out to sea, and we'll perfect our chemistry. By and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights. That dreamy look in your eye, give me a tropical contact high. Way down in Kokomo. Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego.